After several weeks of careful consideration, I have once again chosen to live in a cupboard at sea. I'm joining MSC Virtuosa in April. I'm a guitarist and singer, and I work on cruise ships. And for the next 3 months, this series is a complete behind-the-scenes look at what life is actually like. The cabins, the shows, the routines, the ports, the travel days, everything from stepping on board as crew to walking on stage at night. In this video, where I'm going, when I join, how I got the gig, and why this contract's completely different to the last one. There's nothing in it. The message came in on WhatsApp. In 2025, I sent my showreel to a number of cruise ship agencies, and in December that year, I was lucky enough to be offered my first contract. A month after getting back from the MSC Virtuosa, another message arrived. 3 months sailing across Europe on MSC Virtuosa. So, after months of trying to become a cruise ship musician, the actual life-changing moment happened while I was making a cup of tea. My first contract was as a guest entertainer, and it only lasted a month. So I was living as a passenger, guest cabin, guest areas, time ashore, just with a guitar and a show to play in the evenings. This time, I'm signing on, which means crew cabins, crew areas, and actual responsibilities. I mean, just look at the size comparison of my last ship, the Virtuosa, and the ship I'll be joining in April. It's a completely different experience. And it's the one I've been working towards this whole time. In terms of the actual job, it's usually 4 or 5 sets a night, 7 nights a week, with the daytimes free to either explore the ports or sleep and recover. As for the actual set times, I don't know yet. That information tends to arrive at some point shortly, just before you're expected to be on stage. What I do know is the itinerary. 12 countries, more than 20 ports, including 2 places that have been on my list for years. The fjords of Norway and Iceland. So at the moment, my life is a mixture of detailed travel plans and absolutely no idea what time I'm going to work. The most enjoyable part of this itinerary is having to pack for 3 months in climates that range from the sunny beaches of the Canary Islands to sub-zero temperatures in Iceland, which means the suitcase has to contain beachwear and thermal layers, shorts and scarves. Alongside this is the slightly less cinematic part of the job. Printing set lists, filling in forms, and answering emails, so it's mostly spreadsheets at this stage. And eventually, everything has to fit into this. Next, this turns into the part they don't tell you about in the brochure. So in the next episode, I'll show you everything that has to happen before you're even allowed to get on the ship. Admin, the documents, the logistics, the medicals, basically, it's more paperwork than music. Don't forget to
like and subscribe.
Sorry, I mean...
Like and subscribe.
Cheers, me dears.